Monkey wake up. Other monkey say one dumb thing. Now monkey entire day is trash. At night, monkey in bed, having imaginary argument. Monkey winning fake fight, but losing real sleep. Brain replaying same scene, again and again. Monkey not angry anymore. Body cleared anger in 90 seconds. But monkey keep reheating it, like leftover banana pizza. Nobody forcing monkey to eat it. Monkey just keep putting it back in microwave. So monkey wonders, why some monkeys don't care? Why me explode over nothing? Chapter 1. Take back the remote. Monkey say, other monkey push my buttons. Sounds reasonable, but buttons only work if monkey installed them. Other monkey didn't create anger. He stepped on emotional landmine monkey buried long time ago, then forgot about. Maybe brother, maybe ex, maybe teacher who embarrassed monkey. Landmine already there. Other monkey just bad at walking. Good news. If monkey didn't install button, other monkey can't press it. Monkey been handing remote control to random monkeys. Time to take it back. Chapter 2. What anger really is. Anger not real emotion. Anger is bodyguard. It show up when monkey feel hurt, embarrassed, small. Hurt feel weak, so brain send anger instead. Example, mama monkey forget birthday. Real feeling is, do I matter? But monkey don't say that. Monkey say, you never cared anyway. One is question, other is attack. So here's the solution. Monkey pause. Monkey breathe. Monkey ask, what hiding under this? Monkey solve emotion calmly, not during explosion. Chapter 3. Emotional landmines. Triggers not random. Monkey planted them years ago, then lost the map. So monkey keeps stepping on same ones and acting surprised. Solution simple. For 1 week, monkey write down what triggered him, who involved, what old memory it connects to. Monkey notice pattern. Monkey don't have many triggers. Monkey just repeat same few. Now monkey see landmine before stepping on it. Chapter 4. Monkey boundaries. Boundaries not walls. Boundaries are gates. Monkey is gatekeeper. Friend call every day, same problems, never want solution. That not friendship, that unpaid emotional labor. Monkey who say yes to everything end up tired, irritated, triggered. Monkey who protect energy get triggered less. Simple math. Finally, monkey who never get triggered not special species. They not leopards, they just observers. They feel emotion, then they choose. Emotion knock on door. Monkey open, look, then decide. Monkey not controlled by feelings. He monkey who experience feelings. Big difference.